Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to use Contact Form 7 in Elementor. To begin, you'll need to install and activate the Contact Form 7 plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This popular plugin has over 5 million active installations. Simultaneously, make sure you have Elementor, the powerful page builder, also installed and activated on your site. These two plugins form the foundation for creating and seamlessly integrating your contact forms. Now let's build your first contact form. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Contact menu and click Add New. Give your form a clear title like General Inquiry Form. You'll see a default template with fields for name, email, subject, and message. You can easily add or remove fields using the tag generator buttons. Once your form is structured, hit the Save button. This action automatically generates a unique shortcode, which is crucial for the next step. With your form created, it's time to add it to an Elementor page. Open the page you wish to edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor's left panel, search for the shortcode widget. Drag and drop this widget into any section on your page where you want the form to appear. Then, simply paste the unique Contact Form 7 shortcode you obtained earlier into the shortcode widget's content area. Your form will instantly render on the page, ready for visitors. Finally, let's make your contact form visually appealing. While the basic shortcode widget offers limited styling, you can use Elementor's section and column settings to adjust padding, margins, and background colors around your form. For more granular control over individual input fields, labels, and the Submit button, consider installing a third-party Elementor add-on that specifically styles Contact Form 7. These add-ons provide extensive options to customize fonts, colors, borders, and more, ensuring your form perfectly complements your website's design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.